This bullet antenna is made of high-quality T-6061 billet aluminum. Package includes 1x bullet antenna, 8x screws bolts of different sizes, 2x rubber rings. This aluminum copper bullet style antenna has the same dimensions as a real .50 caliber bullet. It looks cool when you install this bullet antenna on your vehicle. Compatible with Colorado, 2003 to 2020, Equinox, 2003 to 2017, Avalanche, 2002 to 2013, Traverse, 2008 to 2017, Corvette, 1997 to 2004, Suburban Tahoe, 1992 to 2006, Malibu, 1997 to 2003. Compatible with GMC Canyon, 2006 to 2018, GMC Yukon, 2000 to 2017, GMC Envoy, 2002 to 2009. Not compatible with Silverado. If you want to buy Silverado antenna, please refer to this asin, B09HXCHCS9. Compatible with Ford F150 F Series, 1990 to 2021, Ford Ranger, 1990 to 2021, Ford Explorer, 1990 to 2010. Compatible with Dodge Ram trucks, 2009 to 2021, Dodge Dakota, Dodge Durango. Not compatible with 2001 Dodge Ram. Compatible with Jeep Grand Cherokee, 1993 to 2013, Jeep Cherokee, 2013 to 2020. Compatible with Toyota Tundra, 2000 to 2020, Toyota Tacoma, 1995 to 2015, Toyota Sienna, 1998 to 2014, Toyota 4Runner, 2010 to 2017, Toyota FJ Cruiser, 2006 to 2014. Compatible with Nissan Titan, 2004 to 2021. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I don't listen to the radio much, but it definitely still works great and has good service. All radio stations worked fine and clear with no static.